Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see deleted browsing history in Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll need to navigate to a specific Google page that keeps track of all your activity. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type in myactivity.google.com and press enter. This will take you to your Google account's activity page, which is a centralized hub where Google stores records of everything you do while signed into your account. Once the page loads, you'll land on your My Activity dashboard. This is where all your Google-related actions are logged, including your Chrome browsing history, searches, and more. Now, what you'll want to do is scroll down through the page until you start seeing your recent activities. As you scroll, you'll notice various entries showing websites you've visited, searches you've made, and other interactions with Google services. The great thing about this page is that it captures everything, even if you've cleared your browsing history directly from Chrome. Here's the key part. Even if you've gone into Chrome and deleted your browsing history through the browser settings, those records still exist on this Google Activity page. This happens because when you're signed into your Google account while browsing, Google automatically saves this information to your account separately from your local browser history. So while your Chrome browser might show a clean slate, your Google account remembers everything. You can scroll through days, weeks, or even months of activity to find specific websites or searches you thought were gone forever. And that's it. You've now accessed your deleted Chrome browsing history through your Google Activity page. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.